Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into everything you need to know about a brand new Instagram app. This innovative app is designed to change how creators make content from 2025 and beyond. And it's packed with powerful features. So let's break down what it's all about and how you can use it to grow faster on Instagram. So what is Instagram Edits? Instagram Edit is a dedicated creative suite designed specifically for mobile based creators. Unlike job applications, this app is for creators, editing and sharing short form videos directly on your phone. While it is directly integrated with Instagram, it is also designed to work with other platforms like TikTok and even YouTube. So now let's talk about few features that we currently know about this application as it is currently still rolling out around the world. So you should be able to see this application within few days on your Play Store and App Store. And as you can see, it is currently coming soon on my particular device. One of the features is an enhanced camera system. Although details are still emerging, the app appears to offer an upgraded camera that might allow you to shoot, edit, and even export in 4K. You can only export 4K if your phone actually supports that. Next, there is also a dedicated inspiration tab where you can browse trending audios, gather content idea, and save inspiration for later. This can be incredibly useful to stay ahead of trends and keep your content fresh. The app also features a proper timeline editor that makes editing reels much easier. You can stack multiple clips, add text presets, and layer different elements, all with a frame by frame control. This should greatly simplify the editing process compared to the current Instagram tools. Instagram Edit also comes loaded with AI powered features. For instance, it can automatically convert a photo into a video, generate captions in multiple languages, and even let you change your outfit using AI. While some of those tools might sound experimental right now, they promise to add whole new level of creativity. And one other exciting feature is the ability to share your drafts with others for feedback, which is great for collaboration before you publish. Additionally, the app will offer improved analytics to help you understand what's working and where to improve, so you can fine tune your content strategy for better engagement. Now, based on what we know, here are some tips for using Instagram Edits to grow your audience. Use the inspiration tab to stay ahead of trend. Leverage the enhanced camera system for high quality video content. Utilize timeline editor for precise and creative video edits. Monitor the improved analytics to see what resonates with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.